Hello everyone, I am Dixon, and today I'm going to share with you a cooking video. And it is about a recipe that my mom always cooked for us, the family, when I was a kid. And it is the braised chicken with mushroom. What we need is chicken, mushroom, ginger, garlic, a few cloves, and also herbs. Next is the most important secret ingredients. They are the Lee Kum Kee premium brand oyster sauce. This is made from 100% fresh oyster. Lee Kum Kee selected light soy sauce. This is made from non-GMO fermented soybean. And also Lee Kum Kee pure sesame oil, made from pure roasted sesame oil and suitable for vegan. What we're going to do next is to put the chicken into the pot and marinate this with the oyster sauce and also the light soy sauce. Well, you can do this about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and then the selected light soy sauce, half a cup. So now we're going to leave this and marinate the meat, the chicken, for about 30 minutes. Make sure that the sauce covers the meat thoroughly. After 30 minutes of marination, we are going to cook the chicken on the stove. Add in water. And stir. Okay, next, add in the mushroom, ginger, garlic, and the herbs, and let it boil for about another 30 minutes. It is time to turn the light or the fire to small fire and let it simmer for a while. Okay, next, add in a tablespoon of sugar. And stir. Let the sugar set and simmer for another 10 minutes. Finally, the chicken is cooked, and what we do is we pour in the gravy and then add a few drops of Lee Kum Kee pure sesame oil. And garnish with broccoli or any other vegetables that you prefer. Now, since Parents' Day is around the corner, why not try to cook some easy meals or easy dishes for your parents with Lee Kum Kee sauce, the secret ingredient to happiness. Show gratitude to them on this special day. Here you are, braised chicken with mushroom.